Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about DeepSeek and you will click here. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about DeepSeek and you will update your app if you find updates here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your